MOQ hacks on Alibaba. What does MOQ mean, first of all? MOQ is the smallest unit count or supply requires for every single order and serves as a key condition suppliers stretch to make low pricing viable. Since MOQs are set by the suppliers or wholesalers, it makes sense that they are the ones primarily shipped by or concerned with the MOQ quantity. They are also naturally the ones who benefit most from the high MOQ terms. So basically, despite the potential reduced per unit prices and the foundational strategic role of MOQ in the wholesale transaction, understandably elevated MOQs may still discourage some new or small businesses from ordering. The reason is that those high minimum order quantities often subject them to large upfront investments and storage constraints. So, thankfully, depicted in the picture above, low or no MOQ requirement suppliers are still available on Alibaba.com, ideal for many of those buyers. So, the most direct and convenient way to spot them on Alibaba.com is through the ready to ship feature available on the wholesaler page or bulk page. Simply click on the ready to ship tab in the top left corner of the menu bar as shown in the image here to find these low MOQ products. Alternatively, one can also click on the applicable shop product category segments, such as those under personal care or household cleaning, to select the ready to ship option from the same top left menu bar accordingly. Refer to the following sample for more details. These ready to ship products, as the name implies, are ready made items that can be shipped anytime at relatively low or even no MOQ conditions. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.